Ascend to the 70th floor of the 30 Rock building and get sweeping views of NYC, including the Empire State Building. Take amazing photographs from the roof of New York and get a free city guide with discounts for other attractions. 30 Rock houses NBC Studios. Keep your eyes peeled for Jimmy Fallon, Seth Meyers, and Lorne Michaels. Top of the Rock will be open later from Thursday, December 1st until Saturday, January 7th. During this time, it will open at 9 a.m. and close at midnight, last entry at 11 p.m., except on Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve, when it will close at 10 p.m., last ticket at 9 p.m.
You